Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. With the holidays just around the corner, we thought it would be fun for today's nail art tutorial to have Erin share a super cute Mickey Mouse inspired design for Christmas.
Hey guys, it's Erin. So I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all my nails. Then I'm painting my pinky and thumb a true holiday red. Then once that's dry, I'm taking a dotting tool and either white acrylic paint or a white nail polish, and I'm creating rows of dots down the red nails inspired by Minnie Mouse. Next, I'm painting my ring finger and my index finger with a white nail polish. Once that's dry, I'm taking a green nail polish and a small brush and painting some holly. I started out with a wide V shape in the corner of my nail and then used small, short strokes to add some leaves to each side. I'm repeating this on my index nail, but I'm just having the bough of holly on the other side of my nail. Once that green nail polish is dry, I'm going back in with the same red I used before with the dotting tool and creating a small Mickey head on the holly. So it's cute little Christmas hollies with a Mickey Mouse twist. Then I'm painting my middle nail with that same green nail polish I used before. Once the green nail polish is dry, I'm taking a black acrylic paint and a dotting tool and creating a large black circle in the center of my nail. Then I'm taking my red nail polish and a small brush and painting a Santa hat drooping over the top of the circle. Now I'm taking my black acrylic paint and the dotting tool again, and I'm adding Mickey ears over the top of the red. Then once that's dry, I'm taking a white nail polish and adding the edges of the Santa hat on top of the ears. And don't forget the little pom-pom on the bottom of the hat. Finally, I'm applying a top coat to all of my nails. And there you have your super easy and cute, very merry Mickey nail art. We hope you guys enjoyed this nail art tutorial. If you want to see more, you can click these boxes here to check out more videos from Cute Polish, and click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.